what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jasmine. I'm an ER nurse and I would love for you to subscribe and join the fam. If you don't already follow me on my social media, my handle is @JazTheNurse. And today I wanted to film another vlog for you all. I feel like I haven't vlogged in like the longest time, so I was in the mood to vlog today because today it is Saturday, the day after Black Friday. And today I wanted to decorate for Christmas and I'm super excited. Who's calling me? Hold on, my Lola is calling me.
There's only 3 charger left.
Send me a picture of it.
Let me take a picture.
Because I don't know what a charger is. I'll call you back. Lola keeps asking me what to buy a charger and I have no idea what that is. Anyway, back to my point. Decorating today for Christmas and we're decorating basically our tree is going up. So today I've done quite a bit already. I went to go get my COVID test and I picked up some decorations for my room, but we are going to be putting up the tree today, so that is what we're gonna do. And I'm so excited to do Vlogmas for you all. I did Vlogmas actually last year and it actually went pretty well. I think it'll be really good this year because I actually have the first week of December off and it'll be really fun. Oh, she just sent me what a charger is. Yeah, it's a plate. Yeah, so Vlogmas this year is officially on. This year I have a lot more time to do it and I'm super excited because I am going on a new adventure and I have a lot to talk about, and I have specifically saved a lot of this content to talk to you all during Vlogmas, which is why I haven't really been uploading lately. I appreciate you all for always commenting and watching my videos and all the support you guys give me. And so much to catch you up on, and I'm so excited to actually vlog this year with you all and to take you along this Vlogmas trip with me. And let's just get into this video because I've been talking and rambling for quite a while now. I already kind of swapped out some of my fall decor for my Christmas decor, but we're gonna go ahead and go to a few stores to pick up more Christmas decor and maybe do some Black Friday shopping even though it's technically Saturday. Let me show you what I have so far. So this one, I'm sure you saw it from where I got at Dollar Tree. It's literally only $1 and it's so cute and it sits up like that. I actually got this one a few days ago from Target. And it already came as a set and I thought that was really cute. This thing I just hung up here. I'm gonna bring this to the next park and rave. Over here, I'm sure you saw it last night, I had trouble constructing this. False alarm, you can actually just plug. It's this light up thing. You like have to have batteries for it, so I picked up some batteries at Dollar Tree today. And then I bought this thing for $5 at Target. I don't really have any other decor other than this, which is a really old decor that was actually made out of like hangers. I also bought some sheets to make it look a little bit more Christmassy, but those are in the wash right now, so we're gonna go head over to Hobby Lobby and we'll show you what we get there. I think we're gonna pick up something to eat or drink. Let me show you my outfit. I have this really big chunky flannel that I'm just wearing with these shorts that I got from Urban for literally like $15. It was so cheap. And these tube socks that I got from Cotton On for $2. And then just a crop top that I probably got a long time ago. And then this necklace that I got from PacSun. This is what it looks like to have winter in California. Let me grab a mask. I bought so many masks from Old Navy. I'll show you. So I think, which one matches more? Maybe I'll do this one. So we got our coffee bean. I got the cookie butter with oat milk. It's very dense. Hopefully caffeinated to wake me up. Right now we're going to Hobby Lobby first, and then where are we going next? An outlet.
And make a U-turn.
It says Hobby Lobby is very busy. We made a small detour to check out to see what they have at 99-cent store. Let's see if they have any like good. Sometimes they have like good stuff. There's so many things that aren't 99 cents. be like that. No, he keeps looking at me. What we found on Pinterest that we really want to try and copy. So we need like big bulbs, some of those like cranberry looking things, and then our thing is already flocked, so that's fine. And it has lights, so we just need big bulbs, and then some branches and tree skirt, so it looks like snow. Because you know our tree is flocked. That's kind of cute, huh? I found like snowflakes.
You found the snowflake? Still there?
Yeah. Look at the, do you want this, it's a skirt. I think I'm gonna get this. It's just so cute. It's like a little door hanger. She was nice. That lady said my bag looked cute. And then she was talking about something else. What? Oh, she was like asking where it's from. I was like, I thought she was kidding. Oh, the cute boy probably wanted to. Oh, cute man. Ew. Sanitize your hands. She was probably like, why are you wearing that in the 99-cent store? It's probably fake. Maybe she thought it was a dupe. I think so. Here at Hobby Lobby.
Stealing.
I think we can use some of these for $1.99 each. They're small though, so it's 50% off, and these are $1.99 or. Not bad. Literally everyone and their mothers is in the Christmas aisle, but I'm in this like floral aisle, and I found some more Christmas stuff. These are pretty cute. They're obviously like way more expensive. These are like $12 in comparison to the ones that I got. Maybe we can get an extra discount because it's snapped. Wait, these are different. How much is that? It's $10. Check this one. I think they removed. This one's 10. Yeah, what the heck? But maybe there's two in this one. I think there's two. I think so.
Is that Samsung Pay by chance?
No, this is an iPhone.
Oh, we don't have Apple Pay.
Okay. Hello. In the front. I already checked out. Okay, hurry up. Bye. So, we got some branches. A bunch of these like red bulbs. And then your freaking... How much was your thing? Here's our tree. It's kind of small and sparse, so hopefully everything looks okay with it. We went to Hobby Lobby and we got a bunch of these branches. I kind of showed them earlier. I think we might need to actually spray them because they, or actually maybe not. I think these kind of look okay. Well, the tree's mostly white. I think it'd be a little bit better to have some, add a little bit of color with 4 branches that kind of like are super tangled. Oh my god. Anyway, there's 4 branches and this was initially $10, but it was 50% off, so it was only $5. We also got these red things. Actually, I was gonna get like a bigger version of these, but I'm glad that I got these red ones because they're, I think they'll sit a lot nicer than the other huge bulbs. So let me see. Let me see where I try to stick it. Oh yeah, it's cute. I guess we'll just kind of spread them out everywhere. Let me try and put them all in. Yeah, I bought a bunch of these red ones. I bought like 10 of them. Texturize it, but not like make it like weird. Like I feel like it's so pokey now. I do like that like pop of brown. I think that looks nice. We'll figure it out once we get the bulbs in. got this little thing to put on, I don't know. And you can like put it on the actual tree. That's kind of cute. Because it's actually an ornament, but I didn't want to use it as an ornament. That's actually super expensive. What the fuck? I thought it was $4.99. Damn, no wonder my thing was so expensive. This was $7. Bro, I thought it said $4.99. It said $14.99. Should I return this? It's so cute though. It looks really good with the tree. Let me see. It looks so cute. Look, watch. But we need bulbs. I think that's what we really need to do for now. Oh, should I keep this? It's $7. I'm kind of salty because I was fooled and I thought it was $4.99. But it was $14.99. Why can't I open it? Oh god, that scared me. Look how cute. This is like my favorite blanket ever. It's a Sherpa blanket from Target that was like 15 bucks. And it's so cute. Look at it. These ones.
They're cute. Oh, maganda rin oh, silver.
Our branches are falling out. What about these?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this one somewhere. Some of them are shattered in here.
See? Little ones can go outside.
We need this, are this silver or gold?
Silver.
I think this one's gold. Oh no, it's not. It's the light reflecting on it.
I know you do like this, anak ko. Ay, naku, naku.
I know that.
Somebody's in a mood. What did I order? Like 7 necklace. Ooh, I'm excited to try my fire stick. A fire stick light. Do you like it so far, Lola?
Yeah. You know, it's your, they said, to decorate, you have to be according to your style.
But we're missing the topper. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's gonna be the end of the vlog right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time on Vlogmas.